Have you ever stopped to consider the chemistry at play in your daily life? It's easy to overlook, but it's there in every moment, every breath, every bite. Chemistry isn't just a subject you studied in school. It's an integral part of our everyday existence. It's in the way the sun's rays interact with your skin, in the process that turns your morning coffee from water and grounds into a rich, aromatic brew, in the transformation of raw ingredients into a delicious meal. Our homes are essentially laboratories, teeming with chemical reactions. From the baking soda in your pantry, to the soap in your bathroom, to the very air we breathe, chemistry is everywhere. This video is your guided tour through the unseen world of everyday chemistry. We'll delve into the science behind common household items and illuminate the fascinating, invisible processes happening around us all the time. You might be surprised to find out just how much chemistry is involved in your daily routine. Let's start with something most of us use daily: cleaning products. Now, have you ever wondered how these everyday items work their magic? Well, it's all about chemistry. For instance, take soap. Soap is a surfactant, which means it lowers the surface tension of water. This allows water to mix with oils and dirt on your dishes, loosening these unwanted substances so they can be rinsed away. Quite fascinating, isn't it? Now let's move on to bleach, a commonly used disinfectant. When you use bleach to clean your bathroom, what you're really doing is letting a chemical reaction take place. Bleach contains a compound called sodium hypochlorite. This compound breaks down into different chemicals that rapidly react with and destroy many harmful bacteria and viruses. So, the next time you're scrubbing down your kitchen, remember the chemistry at work. You're not just cleaning, you're conducting mini science experiments right in your own home. Moving on to personal care items. Ever wondered what makes your toothpaste minty fresh or your shampoo so foamy? Let's dive into the world of personal care chemistry. Consider your toothpaste. The minty freshness you experience is courtesy of menthol, a compound found naturally in mint plants. But the real star of the show is fluoride, a mineral that works to prevent cavities. It does this by remineralizing the surfaces of your teeth, replacing lost calcium and phosphate, and making your teeth more resistant to decay. Now, let's talk about your shampoo. Ever noticed how your shampoo lathers up so well? That's thanks to surfactants. These compounds have a water-loving head and an oil-loving tail. This allows them to lift oils and dirt from your hair and rinse them away with water. Personal care items are more than just pleasant scents and textures. There's real science behind them. Finally, let's head into the kitchen. Ever thought about the chemistry of cooking? Well, let's dive in. You see, when you're searing a steak, it's not just heat cooking your meat. It's a series of chemical reactions transforming the structure of proteins, a process called the Maillard reaction. This reaction is responsible for that beautiful brown crust and delicious flavor. Now let's talk about baking. Ever wondered why your dough rises? That's the magic of baking soda, a base, reacting with acids in the recipe. This reaction creates carbon dioxide gas bubbles, causing your dough to puff up and give you light, fluffy bread. And it's not just baking soda. Yeast, another common ingredient, functions similarly. It ferments the sugars in the dough, producing carbon dioxide and alcohol, leading to a well-risen and flavorful loaf. Cooking is just as much a science as it is an art. The next time you're in the kitchen, think about the chemistry at work. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the chemistry of everyday life. We've journeyed through the science behind cleaning products, personal care items, and even cooking ingredients. Each of these items, found in our homes, are brimming with chemical reactions that help us maintain cleanliness, care for our health, and create delicious meals. Remember, chemistry isn't just for scientists, it's a part of our everyday lives. So, the next time you clean, cook, or even brush your teeth, take a moment to appreciate the science at work. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you've enjoyed this journey into the chemistry of everyday life, why not show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel? Your engagement helps us continue creating content that sparks curiosity and fosters learning. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Did you learn something new? Was there something that surprised you? And if you have any topics you'd like us to delve into in future videos, do let us know. Thanks for watching, and remember, science is everywhere. Stay curious and keep exploring.